With period warnings enabled in BigPicture, you can instantly spot when a task no longer fits within its parent's schedule. Open the Gantt module and turn on period warnings from the View menu. A period warning appears when a parent task can't be recalculated based on its child tasks. This happens when the parent is restricted by something such as a blocking task, for example, a task in locked mode, a non-working day, or when the parent uses manual scheduling mode. When a conflict occurs, BigPicture displays a yellow box with a dashed outline. This box represents where the parent task should be based on its child task dates. In this example, the child task has only a start date, and this date is after the parent ends. Because the child falls outside the parent's range, the period warning appears. Remember that period warnings ignore tasks with no start or end dates. There are several ways to resolve a period warning, depending on what's causing the conflict. Adjust the parent task. If the parent's dates are outdated, you can fix them manually by updating its start and end dates. You can also switch the parent to auto bottom-up mode, so BigPicture automatically recalculates the parent's dates based on its child tasks. Adjust the child tasks. If the child task dates are incorrect or fall outside the parent's range, you can manually update the dates. If you want the child tasks to automatically fit within the parent's timeline, switch the parent to auto top-down mode and include its children. The child tasks will shift to match the parent's timeline. Note that if a child task is longer than the parent, part of it may still extend beyond the parent on the right side. That's it. Enable period warnings in BigPicture to quickly identify parent-task conflicts and keep your project timeline clean and consistent.